Time at Moon Palace, and the vibe is right. Oh my goodness, I'm just loving the presentation. I've got ackee and saltfish, signature Jamaican, but the presentation is just so nice. So I've got some festival fried plantain, and I do have some fried potato slices, bammy, can't live without it, and some bacon strips, coffee, with condensed milk, so you know it right, and some orange pineapple juice. Looking forward to today. It's gonna be a great day here in Ocho Rios. I'm gonna hang out a little bit with my friend Mary, who is on that beauty sitting in the harbor right now. I'm just gonna hurry and enjoy this breakfast and then head over there for a little bit and then come back and look what's happening. Carnival Sensation is making her approach into the bay. So beautiful weather, beautiful location, wonderful food, couldn't ask for more. Good morning from Jamaica land we love. It's sail away time, the Norwegian epic, as she makes her departure from the Bay of Ocho Rios on this sunny, beautiful, somewhat overcast. Yes, that's paradoxical. Of course it is. She is slowly pulling out of the bay, and it was a joy just to watch her from my vista just across the bay at the Moon Palace Jamaica Grande. Seems like she's not going very quickly, but I dare tell you, they really cut through the water as they go along. Look where she's coming from and where she is now. And it's interesting because before you know it, she'll be gone. On to the next port of call, possibly Georgetown, Grand Cayman. This is a one-of-a-kind resort. It has its own dolphin cove, its own dolphin experience, and more it's looking like the complete resort. So much to do here. So I'm taking a little walk just along this area to the Dolphin Cove, Moon Palace, Jamaica. And of course we can't miss in the background the Carnival Sensation sitting idly by in the Bay of Ocho Rios, waiting for her passengers to come back and to take off to another destination. It is a fun day. It's a beautiful day out. No inhibitions here. Lose yourself in Ocho Rios, Jamaica. It's been a spectacular day in Ocho Rios, and it's almost time to say goodbye to Carnival Sensation. She came in, she had a phenomenal time, and she's warming up the propellers and getting ready to whoosh out of here. We have had a spectacular view and really enjoyed just watching the fun and the frolicking on the waters as they made it Jamaica. And you should too. Making it Jamaica by land, by air, by sea. You know what to do. Give us a call at Sheri Fantastic Travels and Resorts Limited, 347-757-6728. We are your cruise specialist. We've got all major cruise lines covered. We take you by river, all across North America, Europe, Asia, and we cover the oceans of the world. We can't wait to welcome you on board Sheri Fantastic Travels and Resorts Limited. We're all about the fun. Ciao for now.